Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to connect a new Roku remote to TV. If you have an infrared remote, then no setup is required. If you have a Wi-Fi remote, then open Settings, Remotes and Devices, Remote. Select a remote type. Below Power button, find the parent button and hold it down for 5 seconds. If the remote control does not work, replace the batteries. Left of power button, follow the one-screen instructions. That's it. Now you know how to connect a new Roku remote to TV. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.